Feeling scared to renovate your outdated bathroom? That's normal. Change can feel risky, especially when you can't see the finished result. But when you trust the right contractor, fears turn into excitement, and old spaces become something amazing. Don't let fear stop you from creating the home you deserve. Take the first step. You got this, and I got you. If you are enjoying these transformations, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It genuinely helps the channel grow and tells the algorithm that this content is worth sharing with homeowners looking for inspiration. Your support keeps these projects coming. Thank you.